question 4. In question 4, we're looking at how to solve algebraic equations. So the question reads, if 7 plus 3x equals 22, then 2x is what? All right, so you have to be careful with this problem because we're not just asked to solve, we're asked to find what 2x is. So we're basically using our solution to solve another problem. It's a two-part problem here. So let's write down what our plan of attack is. So for part 1, what we're going to do is we're going to find the value of x. Okay? And then part 2, we're going to do what? We're going to find 2x, or double our previous answer. Finding 2x is the same thing as doubling x. Alrighty? Okay, so let's do the first part. Part 1, we want to find x using the using properties of equality. So 7 plus 3x is equal to 22. Alrighty, so we subtract 7 from both sides to get x isolated. Subtract 7 from both sides. And what does that give us? We have 3x is equal to 15. And then you proceed to divide both sides by 3 to get x isolated. And you have x equals 5. Okay? And then if you notice your options here, you have 5 as the answer. So is that correct? Is your answer 5? Well, this is a very good distractor right here. If you're not paying attention to what the question is asking you to do, you select that and get it wrong. All right? Remember, the problem asks for 2x. You're not just looking for x, okay? And then we just did part 1. We have not done part 2 yet. Part 2 requires us to find 2x. So the key takeaway from this problem is read the question carefully. Make sure you're asking what the question is asking. You're answering what the question is asking, not answering what you feel the question is asking. All right? So let's go ahead and do that. X is equal to 5, so we can just double that and get 10. But just to show you the steps, just multiply both sides of the equation by 2, and you get x is equal to, 2x is equal to 10. And the answer to number 4 is option letter G. Your studies of for preparation for your ACTs, do give us a thumbs up. We appreciate your feedback. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for updates to the remainder of this series. If you have any questions or comments or any special requests to get you ready for the ACT, just place your comments in the comment section below and we'll be more than glad to assist. More support resources can be found at our website at mathgotserved.com to check it out. Thanks again for watching and have a wonderful day. Goodbye.